This is the knobology video on the Emp N5Vet version. First thing you want to do is press the power button and wait for the machine to boot up to imaging mode. Use the trackball to scroll through menus, the set key to make selections, the undo key to undo your selections. You can also use it to make measurements and calculations. The next thing you want to do is start a new patient by pressing the patient key. Input your information. Make sure that your ID number is specific to that particular patient. Department will relate to the application. You can also add the doctor's name in here and press OK once you're finished. The F1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 keys will all relate to the menu here. You can navigate through that menu by pressing the left and right arrows. Go to the image management by pressing F6. This will allow you to export studies to a USB, delete studies, upload studies to the network using DICOM. Press exit by using the set key or undo. Look at patient data, and this will bring up any of the specific patient information, allow you to browse through images, it'll allow you to print images or entire studies. You can also use the left and right arrow keys to browse through the B mode parameters and make changes as needed. To the right is the TGC slides. You can adjust each individual slide to adjust the gain in that particular area, or use the auto gain encoder to adjust the overall gain. Down here we have the frequency keys, focus, zoom, and depth. To change the frequency, press frequency and use the encoder. To get out of frequency, press the frequency key again. Press focus and rotate the value encoder to change the number of focus positions. Or you can use the trackball to move the individual focus position, as well as the up and down keys on the alphanumeric keypad. Once you've optimized your image, press freeze. You can use the trackball to scroll through the scene. You can now take measurements using the trackball and calculations. Press report to view the report that you of all the calculations that you've taken. Press the save key to save the image. Press the snap key to take a snapshot. The print key to print from the user interface, or the open key to open up another study. Another thing you can do is add annotations by pressing note on the alphanumeric keypad. Type in the note that you want to put, move the trackball, and press set on the location that you want the annotation to be in. To delete it, move the trackball to that annotation, press the ABC key that has a line going through it. You can also add body marks by pressing body mark. These keys over here go through the B mode, dual B mode. You can also go to quad B mode by pressing the right arrow key. Press 4B. Every time you press that 4B key, we'll take a new image. Go back to single view by pressing the single B. And share between B and M mode by pressing BM. Or you can see single M mode by just pressing the large M button. You can invert the orientation from top to bottom by pressing the left R key, or left to right by pressing the right R key. Once you're finished with your study, you can then go back and review it and make changes as necessary. Use the preset key here to change system parameters such as date and time, measurement tools, set up DICOM. You can also make adjustments to individual presets such as OB and abdomen. In the left hand corner, you'll see that it also displays some system information. Once you are all finished with your study and using the machine, press the power button in the left hand corner and press set and wait for the machine to turn off.